Hey friends, thanks for stopping by my channel. Wanted to come to you today with a company that you may or may not be aware of. It is called PinchMe.com. You know, there's lots of sample companies and influencer companies out there, and I do know PinchMe is one of the top ones. And what it is a company that works with product brands to match them up to consumers. It's just a new innovative way to reach consumers. You know, instead of them giving out 1,000 samples at Costco, they are doing like targeted consumers. So if you're gluten-free, this company may send you some gluten-free products to try. And all they ask is that you give an honest review in return. It is a website that you go in and all you put in is your mailing address and you fill out a profile. Ask about your family, and they even ask about your annual income, but down at the very bottom it'll say, I do not wish to disclose. So you can be private about that, but you don't put any credit card in whatsoever. And I certainly wouldn't endorse something if I thought it was sketchy or something that I wouldn't do myself. So every second Tuesday of the month, they have what's called Sample Tuesday. The next one is March the 12th. You go in there and you can click on samples that you're hoping to get qualified for. But the thing is, they don't guarantee that you'll get it, but you do have a little say-so, unlike some of the other companies, of what samples you might can get. I'm going to put the link below of where to sign up. And it's really a win-win. If you don't qualify that month, you might qualify the next month. And then hopefully you'll be matched with some samples. So they sent me what's called a premium blogger box. It's not the size box that most people get, but if you are matched up with some samples, they'll send you anywhere from 3 to 6 samples that month. So after the unboxing, I encourage you to look down below in the description box, click on the link, fill out your information, and hopefully you can get a box next month. All right, let's see what's in this little goodie box. It comes wrapped in brown paper with Pinch Me tape. Try products from leading brands for free. PinchMe.com. All right, the first thing I have is a little welcome. We're so thrilled for you to join our exclusive Pinch Me Influencer Club. And how Pinch Me works. You go to PinchMe.com to sign up. Once a month, we email you when free samples are available for you to claim. Provide your honest feedback on samples to claim more. You can also do quizzes for bonus points, and then click on the Treat Me tab. Receive daily emails with special offers and savings Pinch Me has sourced for you. So that's just a little more information of what Pinch Me is all about. Okay, lots of paper shreds, but this is just an example of the type of samples that you'll get. Compeed. It appears to be some kind of blister cushions. I have a pair of slip-on Ked shoes that I'm definitely going to use this for. I'm really excited to try that. Now, who doesn't love Ghirardelli chocolate? Milk chocolate caramel. I love Ghirardelli. When my daughter got married, we did a chocolate fountain with Ghirardelli chocolate. It was absolutely delicious. The next thing is French Lavender Pacha Soap Company. It smells so good. I guess it's just a thin bar of soap. Kind of an artisan type of soap. Looking forward to using that. All right, the next thing is squishy. It's like peanut butter in there, but it is a nut butter. 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, a half a date, and no BS. I have heard of this company before. They advertise it on TV. No artificial. It's all just whole food. I'll definitely use this. Put it on toast or something like that. And it looks like that sometimes you'll even get full-size products. And I imagine this is Sundown Naturals. That is a name brand vitamin company. Multi-daily immune support. Very nice. 60 capsules. I'll definitely use that. This is a sample of that Native deodorant. I don't use this, but my daughter does, and she really likes this. It's becoming really popular for people to find that all-natural deodorant that doesn't have aluminum. And just so happened she was ordering it from native.com, but now she realized that Walmart does carry it, and she's been really pleased with that non-aluminum type of deodorant. So I'm anxious to try that, or I may just give it to her since I know she uses that. All right, the next thing, L'Oreal, love L'Oreal brand, a pure clay mask, detox and brighten. Well, I don't use a lot of masks, but you know, sometimes when I'm feeling a little self-care time, I might try that. And let's see, it looks like maybe one more thing. not sure how to pronounce this French word, Vibute Pure Anti-Aging Face Serum. I'm getting to that age now where I guess every beauty box and sample box I get has some kind of anti-aging product, but hey, I'll definitely try it if it'll work. Cruelty-free. Never heard of this brand, but I do love finding new products. So there you go, friends. That is an example of the Pinch Me box. I did have 8 things in my box, but it said you would normally get 3 to 6 if you are chosen for that month. So be sure and click the link below for you to fill out your profile and see about getting your own box of goodies. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.